The Trekology Trek Z collapsible hiking and trekking poles to help give you balance and support. You get a set of 2, and it gives you a reason to increase your steps and your take, help prevent knee injuries, support extra weight, and walking comfortable, because I've got a bum knee as it is. These are like 10.4 ounces, and they come in different sizes for your height. So I'm just under 6 foot, and they got this cork handle lining. They're made out of, they say, aircraft grade alloy. They come with some different feet for different terrains, say if it's muddy or it's pretty dry out here today. But you can kind of see here, it's already got that pole on it. That snaps in there. Oh, check that out. That comes off there. So you've got a release lever right there. That's pretty slick. Stop, it's 120 centimeters, 47 inches. Kind of got a cool looking little carbon fiber pattern to it. I definitely like the cork grip. If your hands get sweaty or you get muddy, I like having that little texture. It's comfortable. I mean, you think about maybe the hours that you might be handling these. That's a plus. They're obviously made of good, strong material, yet lightweight. You know, overall, I can't see any issues. Definitely gives you a way to take bigger steps, feel comfortable without twisting your knee, because I got a bum knee as it is. It only took me like 30 seconds to pull them out and assemble them, and it's only going to take me, let's see, maybe 30 seconds to disassemble it. So check them out. I'm going to get off to checking out this little section of woods here.